Today we're going to learn about osmosis. The materials we'll need for this experiment are white vinegar, corn syrup, a cup, paper towel, a spoon, an egg, and a ruler. Now it's time to make a prediction. What will happen to the egg after being in the vinegar? And what will happen to the egg after being in the corn syrup? First, make some observations about your egg and take measurements. To begin the experiment, pour vinegar into the cup till it is half full. Step 2. Put the egg into the cup. Make some observations. What do you think is happening to the egg? Step 3. Place the cup in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Step 4. After 24 hours, drain the vinegar and put in new vinegar into the cup. Step 5. Put back into the refrigerator for another 24 hours. Step 6. Take the cup out of the refrigerator and drain the vinegar. Make observations of the egg. Take some measurements of the egg as well. Step 7. Fill the cup up with corn syrup and place the egg in the corn syrup. The egg will want to float, so put a spoon on top of the egg so the egg is fully submerged in the corn syrup. Step 8. Place the cup in the refrigerator for 24 hours. After 24 hours, take the cup out of the refrigerator and scoop out the egg with a spoon. Make some observations of the egg and take measurements. Now that the experiment is done, let's explain what happened to the egg. The first question you may have thought was, what happened to the shell of the egg? The answer to this question is that the vinegar made the shell dissolve. Vinegar is made up of acidic acid. The egg is made up of calcium carbonate. When the two are mixed together, a chemical reaction happened that produced CO2 gas and calcium acetate. This was seen when the egg started bubbling. When the shell completely dissolved, it fully exposed the membrane of the egg. The water molecules from the vinegar traveled through the membrane into the egg. This caused the egg to get bigger due to the water molecules traveling into the egg. The membrane of an egg is semi-permeable, which means that only certain molecules can pass through. In this case, only water molecules can pass. When the swollen egg was placed into the corn syrup, the water that was inside the egg travels across the membrane again into the corn syrup due to the imbalance of molecules. The corn syrup has lots of sugar molecules, and the egg has lots of water molecules. Both sides of the membrane want to have equal portions. Since only water can pass through the membrane, water leaves the egg where there is a low number of molecules to a higher amount. This causes the egg to shrink. This is the process called osmosis.